Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a facial using my 9-in-1 Aristorm machine. I'm going to be using radio frequency. I'm also going to be using some of the photon lights. I'm not going to use microcurrent, just the photon light and the hot and cold hammer that this comes with, and again the radio frequency on the face and eye. So all 4 of these probes here on this 9-in-1 Aristorm machine that I am using. This machine will be linked down below if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So I have some Royal facial gel. You can get this facial gel from the same site where you can get this machine at surebeauty.com. This is what it looks like. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 10 minutes of radio frequency with one side of the face and the other side of the face. So I'm going to start with the left side for 5 minutes. Let's put the gel all over. Got some napkins on deck. Mind you, I'm just doing this at home. So I'm going to start with the Face RF probe here. Face RF. I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes. I'm going to do 5 minutes on each side of the face. And the energy, I'm going to turn it up to a 9 because I've done this before. I'm going to hit normal and hit start. So here we are. And again, I'm just going to do 5 minutes on this side. Make sure when you're doing the radio frequency, okay, this is pretty hot, so I actually might turn it down. I am going to turn it down to like 7. Okay, it's still pretty warm, but I can tolerate it. Make sure you always keep this moving. You see how I have it moving in circular motions because it gets really warm, you guys. So for the like cheek and T-bone area here, I'm going to turn it down some more. This machine is pretty powerful, the radio frequency here. We're going to turn it to 3. See how 3 is? 3's decent, still getting pretty warm. So just keep it moving around in circles like I'm doing. Now keep in mind I'm going to do the eye in a second. So I'm just going to focus on just the face right now. Avoiding the under eye because there's a probe for the eye specifically. This feels really nice. And then for the forehead, same thing, but we're going to work in upward motions and also go up like this. It's going to help give you that face lift effect. Upward motions, you never want to go down on the forehead. It's up, up, up. So work on the forehead for a little bit. Again, I'm avoiding the eyes, so we're going to do the eyes as a whole separate thing. So again, I am going to be doing 5 minutes on each side for this part of the radio frequency. After this, I'm going to go do the other side, and then we're going to do the eye radio frequency separately. So right now, I'm just focusing on the forehead and the cheeks and the T-zone area. I'm going to apply some more gel. Hit play. There we go. It's really hot in the beginning. So make sure you have enough gel. And then here, in this area, I'm just going to keep doing my circular motions. Back to the forehead, going up. I'm gonna go to the next side because 5 minutes has passed. Just that radio frequency alone is really wow. Okay, pause real quick. I had to stop the frame because check how smooth that is, you guys. Check it out. Look at how much tighter the left side is compared to the right. Hey, I'm so excited. All right, next side. Okay, so you see how I applied a lot. Still gonna leave it at 3 because I don't want it to be too hot because again, this machine gets really hot. So okay, let's go. I'm gonna turn it up 1 more minute because I kind of wasted a little time on that side. Same thing, circular motions. Just gonna work around this whole face area. So the next 5 minutes is pretty self-explanatory because I'm doing the exact same thing I did to the left side on the right side. Same circular motions on the cheek areas, and make sure you do the upward motions when you're in the forehead area to give it that nice lifting facelift effect. But circular motions are fine on the forehead as well. It's all going to tie in the skin. It's all going to stimulate that collagen. So as long as you're keeping the probe moving, you're keeping gel on the skin, it is definitely working, girl. Yeah. My face already, guys. Already I can see it. Can you guys? Okay, so now I am going to apply some snail moochin. You can put any type of serum on after this. I'm just going to put some soothing serum on my face after that radio frequency. Now I'm gonna move in and just do 5 minutes, so about 2.5 minutes on each eye of the IRF. This is just gonna be real close up on the eye. Be real careful with this, you guys. Yeah, we're gonna do 5 minutes. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit and get the under eye. So for the eye area, I just kind of did the same thing, small circular motions and also like left, right motions, just back and forth on the under eye area. Be sure to make sure you keep applying the gel so that you don't burn yourself and it is not too hot. Be delicate, but also, yeah, just keep up the same move. It's just left and right works, or little circular motions. So now moving on to the other side. Again, I just did 5 minutes in total, so that's about 2.5 minutes on each side of the eye, you guys. You don't need to spend 5 minutes on each under eye, just 2.5 minutes on each side for a total of 5 minutes. Again, slow and steady, left and right movements, being careful, reapplying the gel. Super simple. And now we're on to the next step. So now after I've done the RF, I'm going to do the photon lights. So this, you don't have to turn on from here. The photon light works from this handle alone. That's to turn on the microcurrent. So we're going to turn it mode on. It automatically goes to green. You can do green light, red light, blue light, yellow light, blue again. And for this, you don't even really need to put it on your face. I'm gonna do red light. And we're just gonna kind of put it over the face. I'm gonna do about 5 minutes on each side. For this part, I am just doing 10 minutes total, 5 minutes on each side, just like you guys see me going in slow little movements around the face. It's really nothing too difficult about this process. Just make sure you're keeping the light on the face. Obviously, you can't really mess it up going too fast or too slow, but I always like to use slow and steady whenever I am doing my body sculpting treatments, because I just find that I get better results when I'm not moving so fast with the probes. So lastly, I'm going to do a face mask. I got this from the Dollar Tree, you guys. It's a hyaluronic face mask. It's supposed to be skull shaped. And we're gonna use the hot cold hammer. Oh, this is hella cute. Guys. So, we've got that on. Turn on the cold hammer. And I'm just going, oh, it gets so cold so fast. And then I'm just going to kind of go around like this. Oh, this feels so good. So for the cold hammer, guys, it's pretty self-explanatory too on the machine. I really like this machine because it's very easy to use, very user-friendly. All I did was hit the little snowflake button, which obviously means cold, and I turned it up to a level 6 because I like it really, really cold. It's really soothing, and using the cold part of the hammer is really helpful in sealing in the moisture. So this is a hyaluronic mask that has like collagen and things in it and all types of moisturizing agents. So using the cold is really going to soothe the skin from all that photon light therapy and red light therapy, radio frequency things that we've done, really calm the skin, soothe the skin, lock in all the moisture. And the cold press is just a really good finish to the facial. And I usually like, when I'm doing my cold hammer, I like to do it with a mask. I've seen some people don't use a mask, they just use like moisturizer, which is fine too, but I find that it's very easy to just throw on a mask, and because it already has the products in it, the hyaluronic acid and all those soothing agents, as well as other things like aloe and things like that. So I really like to use a mask and use my cold hammer, but again, this is optional. You could totally have just used, honestly, you could have just used the cavitation gel that I was using, the facial gel, or you could use whatever moisturizer you have on your own and, you know, seal everything in with the cold hammer if you wanted to. I did the cold hammer for 10 minutes, about 5 minutes on each face, on each side of the face. I didn't necessarily spend just 5 minutes on one section, 5 on the next. I kind of just cumulatively used 10 minutes to go all over my face. Okay, guys, so I'm done with that. Big reveal. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, let me get in the light. Look how moisturized. It's all gonna dry up. So I'm gonna let this all dry up and then come show you guys the final product. Okay guys, so here is the final results. Here is a side profile. You can just see, this is immediately after too. You can just see how much more tightened things are. This is a real close up. To the left is the before, and you can just see how much like fatter my face looked, just bloated, inflamed, and things of that nature. The radio frequency really tightened everything up super good. And also, please note that you are going to see optimal results way after 3 days, because obviously the radio frequency works by stimulating collagen production in your skin and your cells and things like that. So that's going to take a while for that to happen, but you will see some immediate results. But I'm telling you guys, over time and doing these radio frequency facials regularly, especially with the photon therapy, chef's kiss, you guys. This is the key to keeping your skin looking nice and youthful for a very long time. It's definitely worth your investment. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these machines, they will be linked down below. Again, this machine here, and there's a wide range of machines. So if this one is out of your price range, they have some machines that just have the facial features or just have the body sculpting or whatever you're looking for, beauty wise, aesthetic wise. You can find machines for yourself or for your business through these companies. They are tested and tried machines. They come with user manuals and they have really good customer service. Please do not get scammed in purchasing one of these machines on Amazon, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.